Okay, so everybody please turn on your camera. That is Avni from myself. Please turn on your camera. Okay. So Avni, have you prepared for the test? Have you prepared for the test?
I wasn't there last class.
You wasn't there, but I have announced that in the next class I will take the test of atoms and molecules in the chemistry class. Okay.
I was not able to prepare properly because we were in Medina.
This will be the week for the because you are not studying at home. So that's why I need to take the test of this one. This chapter is very important. Okay. Okay. So here are some questions on your screen is going to be there. Okay. So here's the question number 1. Avni, Riaz, turn on your camera. Aris, turn on your camera. And Riaz. Maisa. Okay. So I'm going to ask that a question that state law of conservation of mass. So Avni, you need to answer me.
Sir, one
What
minute,
is
let me
law?
close my door. 1 minute, sir. I need to close my, otherwise my brother will come.
And you have to keep your hand like this way, okay?
Okay, sir, 1 minute.
Aris, have you prepared for the test? And
Yes, sir.
Riaz, you have you prepared for the test?
No, sir.
No. Very good.
Sir, I also
Okay.
didn't prepare that much properly.
Even me, sir.
Okay. 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 So I will take the test of this chapter tomorrow. Today I'm going to teach you some topic.
Okay.
Okay. So let's start. So if I'm talking about that, in what form that oxygen gas occurs in nature? Tell me. Raisa, turn on your camera. In what form does the uh okay. Just I'm going to give you some questions here and you have to write it down by your own with the help of the NCRT and the things that we have given you. Okay. So that will be the important question that we're going to discuss, and you have to answer me this question. Just I'm not giving you marks tomorrow, but okay, but the question that I'm going to write it, I'm just going to take your test. This is an open book test. Just imagine that it is an open book test. I'm going to take it, okay, and you have to write the answer and you have to send it to me right now after the class. Take the help of the book. Take the help of this one because this chapter is going to be finished. We have finished this chapter. We have started the structure of atoms. Okay. So the things is that first of all, this chapter should be perfectly learned. So what you need to do is what the question that I'm going to give you, you can take the help of the book or something. I will check whether how much you are getting and in which portion you are getting problems. Okay. So let me check it by my own. So you can take the help of the book, but you have to write the answers by your own. Okay. Got it? Aris, Riaz, Avni, from my side, Abdul
So,
Jabbar.
should we read all these
Yes, sir.
questions?
Not question along with you have to write the answers also.
Sir, all these.
Not all this, that the question that I'm going to ask you.
Okay.
Okay, this is a test like. Okay. So open book test. Just like you can take the help of your book. But today is a test, oral test. I'm just skipping because you are not prepared this one. Okay. So in the next chemistry class, I'm going to take the test of this chapter. And there will be no excuse.
Sir, how many chapters are there in this?
Only one chapter, that is the atoms and molecules. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So note it down, the first question that you have to prepare, and wait a minute. Okay. Take the help of the book or copy. Write down the molecular formula of the following that I'm going to take here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let me check how much you know. You can take the help of your book or something, whatever you like, but you have to write the molecular formula of these things. Write down calcium sulfate also.
Sir, I will come in 1 minute. Okay, I have to bring that.
When you done, please let me know. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Abdul Jabbar, you come back.
Yes, sir.
So why are you not turning your camera on? Turn it your camera. Okay. And then start writing the name of these four molecular compound. Okay. And you can take the help of your book, open book. This we have done in the copy. Okay. Also. So each and every question that I'm going to give you, we have done this one in the class also. Okay. Do this one by your own.
Done, sir.
Is there anyone who's still doing?
Sir, me, I'm still doing.
So have you noted the question?
Yes, sir.
Should I move to the next question for the other students?
Yes.
Abdul Jabbar, Riaz, Aris, why have you turned your camera off?
Sir, I'm doing the last one.
Aris, turn on your camera.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So for
Have you
this, you have to
done?
find the molecular
Yes,
weight,
done.
right?
No. Yeah,
Yes,
you
sir.
have to require. You have to calculate the molecular formula only, not the molecular weight. Done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. So other students who have not done, please note. Have you noted the questions only?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's move to the next part here. Do question number 3 and 4. Which postulate of dynamic theory result in law of conservation of mass? And which postulate of dynamic theory explain the law of definite proportion? Do it by your own.
So the question is?
The third and fourth question.
Done, sir.
Okay, other students done?
No, sir, still doing.
Okay, do it. So I shall do question number 2 also.
So can you show that before one second? I need to write the last.
Which one?
Dot.
Which last one? Which last one, Aris, you are talking about?
So that first one.
The first question. So you have I have only given you the third and fourth. Or the previous one that we have discussed for the writing the chemical formula.
Also.
Have you done this question number 3 and 4? First unmute yourself. Now ask.
Can you show the first question? I had to write the last. I did not write last.
This one,
Yeah.
sodium and oxygen.
Yes, sir. I did not write it. Now, okay.
Noted,
Now,
sir. This one, not sodium and oxygen. It was this one. Mercury and chloride. E portion. Done?
oh, yes, sir. Done.
So have you done question number 3 and 4?
No, sir, still doing.
So I'm doing question 4.
Okay, do it. Tomorrow I will means you need to give the oral test. So in the next class you have to give the oral test of these. Okay.
Sir, next is biology, right?
Biology we have finished now. You are going to in the next biology class tomorrow means whenever it is biology you need to give the test of the cell and tissue. Cell chapter and the tissue chapter you have to give the test of.
Done, sir.
Okay. Done.
Still doing.
Okay, do it, do it. The mice have done the second also, but you are still four only.
Sir, done.
Done everyone. If you are having much, you are taking much time, so it's a problem. Okay. This is a very simple questions. Do question number 1. Define the atomic mass unit.
So, only one.
Define atomic. Yes, only one. Lomaisa, are you writing the questions also?
Yes, sir.
So the first one, right?
Yes, only the first one.
Done, sir.
Done.
Other students, Riyaz, are you writing? Avni, done?
Sir,
Yes.
Avni, why have you turned your camera off?
No, sir, my brother came, that's why.
Okay. Abdul Jabbar, done?
Yes, sir.
Should I move forward? Okay. Okay. Write down the name of the following formulas. This is, for example, this is aluminium sulfate. So write the name of these all five. Al2SO4 whole thrice. What is the name of this compound? Note it down.
so only that second one, not
Not,
third and fourth.
yeah, only the second one. Second questions only, na? You are not talking about that what is meant by the term chemical formula. So I'm not going to do this one. Write down the second question, all five parts. Al2SO4, CaCl2, K2SO4, KNO3, CaCO3. What's the name of this?
Done, sir.
Done? You Avni done? Arif done? Riyaz?
Sir, done.
And where is Abdul Jabbar? Done Abdul Jabbar?
No, sir.
Note it fast.
So done, sir.
Done. Clock it.
Sir, done.
Calculate question number two. Calculate the molecular mass of. Do question number two. Calculate the molecular mass of the following units: ZNO, Na2O, K2, K2CO3.
Sir, done.
Done. Why is that done? Question number
No,
two.
sir, before second.
Do it. Already done question number two.
Yes, sir.
So what's the molecular mass of K2CO3?
We told to do the second one, right? For the first one.
Second one. This question. Have you done this one?
I did the
Have you
first one.
do this one? Done. Have you noted?
I noted.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Done. Oh, so do the next one is do question number 2.
Done, sir.
Done.
Yes.
Third one, right?
The second one.
Second one. Okay.
So done. Lumais are done.
Yes, sir.
And how can you do this question number 1? This is being given that you need to calculate the percentage composition of the compound. So it is being asked that at 0.24 grams of samples of a compound contain oxygens and a boron. Okay, compound is of oxygen and boron. So you need to find out that what is the percentage composition. So what you will do here is you will write 0.96, percentage of boron is 0.096 upon 0.24 into 100. Okay, got it? Got it, Amni?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then there are decimals after 3 digit and there is decimals after 2 digits. So in order to maintain the digits equals, what you need to do is you have to add a 10 here. So now there are decimals after 3 digit, there is decimals after 3 digit. Now this cancel out each other. Okay, you will get 96 upon 240 into 100. So you will cut it Okay, and you will get 24 ones are 24 and 24 fours are 96. So this is 40%. So this in this compound, the oxygen percentage is given to you. So refinance was found that the analysis of containing 0.96% of boron. So boron percentage is 40%. So oxygen percentage will be 60% because they should means if one thing is 40%, other thing should be 60% now.
Yes, sir. 0.144 divided by 0.24.
You can do it, you can divide it or you can cancel, you can subtract it from 100. Okay, do it.
Done, sir.
Okay. Okay, write down the formula of these compounds. Quicklime, hydrogen bromide, baking soda, and potassium sulfate. Chemical formula.
Okay, sir.
And write the elements of the name the elements of the compound present in it. Name the elements of the compound also. First write the formula, then you can easily.
So only fifth one.
Hmm?
Only fifth one.
Yes. Only fifth one. Quicklime. What is the formula for quicklime?
Sir, CaO.
Yes. Do it. Hydrogen bromide, baking powder.
Done, sir.
Done. Then okay. So we have done this one. What's the formula for hydrogen bromide, my son? HBr. Formula for baking powder?
powder is
What? You are muted.
Sir, NaHCO3.
NaSCO3. And what's the formula of potassium sulfate?
K2SO4.
Calculate the molecular mass of the following.
One.
Done. So what's the mass of this one? Riyaz, what's the mass of this one? Riyaz, what's the mass of this one? C2, SH2. Mass of one carbon atom is 12. So two carbon atom is 24. Mass of one hydrogen atom is 1. So two hydrogen atom will be 2. So you added this to 26. What's the mass of these two?
256.
256, yes. Because we have 32, 1 for one sulfur atom and there are 8 sulfur atom. 256. 3, 4 molecule. 31 into 4. We'll get 124. 36.5. What's the next? What's 60? 63. 14 plus 14 3 is 48 plus 1. So 943 and 53. Okay, 13, 53, 63. Okay, correct. So done.
Yes, sir.
Umaisa, Abdul Jabbar, Aris.
Yes,
We're
sir.
done.
Yes, sir, done.
So what are the drawbacks of Dalton-Nevitt theory? Do you know? So you have to write down the next question. What are the drawbacks of Dalton-Nevitt theory? What are the drawbacks of Dalton-Nevitt theory? Note it down and write down, sir. Write the answer from somewhere where you like. You have to write it. I have written in your copy also. Write down the drawback of Dalton-Nevitt theory, and then you have to answer click the photographs and then send it to the Learnivio team. I will check whether you have done all the questions or not. Okay.
Sir, repeat the question.
Yes, you have to write the question and answer that question also.
No, sir, I'm telling repeat the question.
Repeat the question. Okay. Question is actually, what are the drawbacks of Dalton atomic theory? What are the drawbacks of Dalton atomic theory? Done? Tell me what are the drawbacks of Dalton atomic theory?
Sir, after the discovery of electron, proton, and neutron, it was said to be that atoms are the only indivisible particles.
But atoms can be further divided into subatomic particles. This is the first drawback. Second drawback. What are the second drawback? Hey, Romaisa, what are the second drawback and third drawback of Dalton atomic theory?
So it fails to explain how atoms combine different elements.
What is this? First drawback of Dalton atomic theory is that Dalton said that same elements will have same masses, but it is not true. Same elements can have different masses, like carbon 12 and carbon 14. Okay. He said that different element will have different masses, but different elements can have same masses, like argon 40, and argon also has 40 mass, and calcium also has 40 mass. Okay. So I have noted, you have done this one in the class. If you have noted this one, then check in your copy in your notebook. Okay. And then send the answers to me.